The Dance of Colors. Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Colorville, lived vibrant and lively colors, each with its own unique personality. The colors had always been curious about one another, but they had never had the chance to truly get to know each other. Then, one day, a new color arrived in Colorville, Princess Pinkalicious. Princess Pinkalicious was a bubbly and energetic color who wanted to bring all the colors together. She decided to organize a grand, colorful ball where every color in Colorville would come together and dance in harmony. As the sun set in Colorville, casting a warm glow across the land, the colorful ball began. The colors, dressed in their most vibrant and lively outfits, gathered on the dance floor. Princess Pinkalicious, with her twirling pink dress, led the way. First to join her was Blue Shadow, a calm and cool color who moved gracefully across the dance floor. Then, Red Blaze, a passionate and fiery color, joined the dance, creating a beautiful contrast with Blue Shadow. Yellow Sunshine, the bright and cheerful color, added a burst of energy to the dance, making everyone smile. As the colors twirled and swirled together, they discovered the magic that happened when they danced in unison. The Dance of Colors was not just a beautiful spectacle, it was a celebration of diversity and unity. Each color brought something special to the dance, and together they created a mesmerizing kaleidoscope of hues. Through the dance, the colors learned to appreciate and celebrate their differences. They realized that when they combined their strengths, they could create something truly extraordinary. The Dance of Colors became a symbol of friendship, cooperation, and the beauty that emerges when different elements come together. And so, in Colorville, the tradition of the colorful ball continued, reminding everyone of the joy and harmony that could be found in the Dance of Colors. Princess Pinkalicious had not only brought colors together in a beautiful dance, but also in the heartwarming embrace of friendship and unity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!